Welcome back to Dad Deals. Harbor Freight dropped some new coupons for January, which we'll talk about in this video. They also have some new products hitting store shelves, which we'll also feature. And then this weekend, they have up to 30% off any single item in their entire store. So that breaks down to 30% off any item under $20, 15% off any item $20 to $50, and then 10% off any item over $50. It is nice to see that these coupons don't have the typical exclusions that you see in the other coupons. You do have the typical exclusions like service plans, open box items, or gift cards, but other than that, it's free reign with these coupons. In this video, we'll talk mostly about the coupons and items on sale for the entire rest of the month of January. But if you're interested and you're trying to figure out what to buy with that 30% off anything under $20 coupon, I did do a whole video on that and I'll link to that below. So go check that out. All right, sit back, relax, and let's look at more things you should be buying at Harbor Freight Tools in January 2024. First up is a new item, and these are the clog-resistant job site permanent markers. You get a 2-pack for just $2. These are really comparable to some of my favorite markers out there, and that's the Milwaukee Ink Saws. I've been using these for a few years now, love them, and these are very comparable to those. They work on wet material, dusty material. They don't dry out if you misplace the cap. They have a hard hat clip on them, and they really are almost identical dupes to those Milwaukee Ink Saws for a much better price. So if you're still using Sharpies in your shop, try out these. I think you'll be impressed. Another pretty awesome new item that Harbor Freight is selling is the Gordon Emergency Survival Kit. This is a nice kit here. It's $25, and it comes in a nice hard shell case. And in this case, you're going to get a survival knife, a 7-in-1 multi-use spork that actually has a built-in whistle on the handle, an LED flashlight, a wire saw, emergency blanket, survival bracelet and water bottle clip, fishing tools including a line, lure, and hook, fire starter, a tactical pin with a glass breaker, and it's all, of course, in that water-resistant storage case. So just a really nice kit here. If you're a camper or hiker, make sure to check this out. Another interesting item that would be great to stash in your car is this 80-lumen rechargeable 12-volt compact mini flashlight. It's $4. And this thing has a built-in cigarette lighter charger that can plug right into your 12-volt socket in your car or truck, charge up, and be able to use in an emergency situation. So you never have to worry about batteries dying on you and can just keep this thing handy whenever you need it. So a pretty awesome design here, just $4. You can obviously use those 30% off coupons for these items. And yeah, I've never seen something like this before, so check this out. On to some of the new instant savings that just dropped. First up is your classic, your Harbor Freight item that is always on sale, but a great price, and now is the time to get it. This is the lowest price it'll probably go, but these are your ratcheting tie-down straps, a 4-pack, 400-pound capacity for just $7.88. That's about as low as these go, and a great deal for some ratchet straps. Another great item to pick up when they're on sale are these safety glasses. These are just $1.29. They have a couple varieties of these. They have the smoke lenses that you see here. They have the clear ones. They have the yellow lenses. But for just $1.29, you really can't go wrong. Throw them everywhere. Have one in your car. Have two in your car. Have one in your toolbox. Have one in your garage and shop. But these are a great price. The Warrior Hex Shank socket driver set, the 3-piece set, is just $3. This, of course, comes with your 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1/2-inch chucks and is 40% off right now. The US General 18-inch magnetic tool holder is only $3. It's almost half the normal price, but these are great to have in your shop. You just stick up your tools. Another great use for this is if you have a grill or griddle, you can stick it up there and use it as a spatula or a grill tool holder, and it works great for that. The popular ammo boxes are on sale. These are just $4 right now and are great for storing a bunch of different things. The outdoor string lights, these are the incandescent kind, so they're not the LED or the solar kind. So these are the more cheaper ones, but these are just $19 and a great way to add some nice ambiance to your deck or patio. And this is a 12-bulb, 24-foot strand. The Pittsburgh cushion grip screwdriver set, a 12-piece set, is only $6. These, of course, do come with that Pittsburgh lifetime warranty and has those nice grippy handles. If you need to upgrade your lighting in your shop or garage, check out these Braun lights. The 5500 lumen 4-foot linkable lights are just $19, or you can step up to the 10,000 lumen 4-foot diamond plate version for $45. Another cheap safety item that is just cheap enough to store everywhere you need them are these Ranger foldable earmuffs. They're just $6. And then another great item to pick up at Harbor Freight are these cable cuff organizers. These can hold extension cords, pretty much anything you need them to. They're easy. They ratchet strap right in, lock in. They're just $3. And of course, these also qualify for that coupon this weekend. Bauer has a few of their corded sanders on sale right now. You can get the random orbital. This is the circular version for $30, or you can get the detail sander for just $20. But these are nice sanders and great prices. You can also get the Central Pneumatic 18 gauge 2-in-1 nailer and stapler. This can do both 18 gauge brad nails or crown staples for just $23. So kind of a nice all-in-one. If you occasionally need a brad nailer and occasionally need a stapler, this is a tool for you. These Pittsburgh aluminum suction cup lifters, so if you're going to be dealing with glass or moving anything, any big panels like that, these are almost half off right now at just $5.69. If you just got an air compressor and you need all the different parts and adapters, check out this Central Pneumatic air compressor starter kit. It's a 20-piece set for just $12. In it, you're getting all of your quick connect adapter, a coil hose, an air gun, some thread sealer tape, and a lot of different tips, but a nice little starter set here. I do like this Merlin version down here. You're getting a much more premium set. It is $23, not on sale right now. But if you just are starting out, you just need that starter set and some basic stuff, you can't go wrong with this one for just $12. The Pittsburgh Ratcheting Combo Wrench Set, it's a 7-piece set, is on sale right now for $23. You can choose either standard or metric here, but these are nice wrenches. I do like that end that has that ratcheting action. So you have kind of the best of both worlds. You have that standard wrench end, and then you also have this where if you can lock on, you have the space available, you can use that ratcheting action. I always love grabbing these parts organizers, and here's the Storehouse portable storage case for just $5. It has 8 adjustable dividers in it, so you can kind of customize it however you want it. And then an interesting item here, I'm not sure if it's brand new, but I haven't really seen it yet, sold at Harbor Freight, is the Circuit Breaker Detective. I've had a Klein version of this. I think they kind of are the ones that started these, but it is awesome. You plug this kind of socket end into any of your outlets, and then you take this other piece to your circuit breaker, and it will beep when it's that socket. So you never have to guess and turn off all the sockets to find the one that you need to work on. But I've loved mine. I've used it for years. But this one at Harbor Freight is $25. So not on sale right now, but you can use that coupon. These oil filter pliers are just $5. There's a few variety of these, and you really just got to find whichever one works best for your truck or car that you're going to be changing the oil on. These do look like the kind that you sort of need a lot of space to work with it. But if you have that space, check out these, just $5. Another classic Harbor Freight tool is these multi-tools. It is now under the Warrior brand, and this is also the variable speed model, but this is $16. So if you haven't picked one of these up yet, check out this one. I promise you'll get your money's worth of $16 out of this machine. Another interesting item that I didn't really know Harbor Freight sold are these grow lights. So these are 19 watt, 2 foot, and they're linkable, but these are just $23. Back to some of the coupon deals, we have this Pittsburgh magnetic pickup tool. I love this thing. It's just $4 and can pick up to 15 pounds. But it's great for finding those things that drop behind a cabinet or in a hard to reach corner, and it's a great tool. Another one of those cheap classic items at Harbor Freight is the mini pick and hook set. It's just $1 right now. Oftentimes you can get these for free as a free item of the weekend, but it's just $1 if you need it. You really can't go wrong with this set. And if you ever need to get out an O-ring from a hose or fixture, these things are a lifesaver. These triple tap extension cords is only 2 feet, but it gives you 3 outlets from one. It's just $4. These are nice. I feel like they're way better made than you would think for just $4, and they're just always great to have around. Another one of those adapters is this 3-way adapter for just $2. The Braun headlight is just $10. I actually picked up this back when it was under the Quantum brand, and it's been a great headlight. You can pivot it, and it fits comfortably and has lasted me a long time, but now it's under the Braun brand at just $10. Some gloves are on sale this month, and here are the Party Padded Mechanics gloves. These are some nice, thick gloves for just $5. One requirement I always have in my garage is everything needs to be on casters, and here you can get the 3-inch polyurethane casters with the brake built in on them for just $5. Also, to keep you warm this month, this 30,000 BTU dual head propane tank heater is just $60. It is only 7% off, but we are in the peak season for these, so anything helps. This miter saw stand is one of the nicest ones that I've seen, and this is the Hercules version. It comes with a nice big wheel, so you can wheel it out to wherever you're working. But this is just a really nice premium miter saw stand. It's $50 off right now at $150. And if you need a miter saw, check out the Hercules one. This is the 12-inch dual bevel, has that sliding action, and it's $100 off right now at $300. So just a really premium miter saw and miter saw stand that are on sale now. The Bauer variable speed rotary tool, nothing super special here. This is the corded version. It comes with a lot of the accessories that you'll need with it, but this is 16% off right now at $25. The Bauer belt and disc sander is $20 off this month at $100. This has a 6-inch disc sander and 4-inch belt sander built into it. But that's it for this month. There are a lot of ITC member deals going on, but I covered a lot of those in my last video, so go check that out if you haven't already. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.